This episode continues the emotional and dramatic intensity of the series, focusing on strained relationship and hidden truth coming closer to the surface. The episode opens with lingering tension from previous events where silence speaks louder than words. The female lead is emotionally conflicted. She feels trapped between her heart and reality, realizing that every decision she makes affects not only her own life but the lives of those around her. Her expressions show exhaustion, yet also a growing determination to face the truth. The male lead struggles with guilt and frustration. He wants to fix what has been broken, but his past action and delayed honesty make a reconciliation difficult. His attempt to explain himself only partially succeeds, increasing emotional distance instead of reducing it. Family pressure plays a major role in this episode. Relatives interfere, some pushing for forgiveness, others fueling misunderstanding for their own benefit. These conflicting influences make the situation even more complicated. A key moment occurs when an important piece of information is revealed, changing how one character views the past. This revelation doesn't bring peace, instead it arises now new questions and doubts. This episode ends on an emotional heavy note. Trust remains fragile, a relationship hangs in balance, and an unspoken confrontation is clearly approaching, setting the stage for major development and the next episode. The next episode shifts the focus to the emotional reaction after the revelation. The female lead retreats inward, choosing silence over confrontation as she processes what she has learned. Her calm exterior hides deep pain and disappointment, signaling a turning point in her character. The male lead senses the growing distance and realizing that word alone will no longer repair the damage. His frustration turns into fear as he understands he may be losing her trust permanently. This realization forces him to consider a risky but honest move. Meanwhile, family tension escalates. One relative tries to control the situation by manipulating emotion while another unexpectedly stands up for truth, creating a split within the household. These clashes expose long-standing rivalries and hidden intention. A powerful moment comes when the female lead makes a quiet but firm decision that changes the dynamic of the relationship. She sets clear boundaries, showing that forgiveness will not come without accountability. This part ends with a strong